My name is Anna Sylvia and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. Today, let's look at the video resume. A video resume is a 30 to 90 second video that a job candidate makes to send to a prospective employer. It is not designed to replace a physical resume or a cover letter, but rather to enhance your overall application so that you can stand out. A video resume is also not a guarantee that you'll get hired, but a well thought out and produced video resume is a step in the right direction to get you noticed. Before creating your video, carefully research the company that you'll be sending it to. What will be well received in one company or industry may not be in another. Know your audience and tailor the tone of your video to it. Lastly, remember to have fun, but keep it professional. Tips for making a standout video resume. Make it yourself. If you outsource it, you won't have the ability to add or edit to it later. Also, making it yourself gives you the ability to customize it to fit the agency's needs that you're applying to. There are plenty of video editing softwares that accommodate all budgets and skill levels. You'll want to do your research to determine which one is the best for you. If you've never edited a video before, it can be overwhelming, but it's not impossible. There are plenty of free resources out there to help you out with video editing. And here I have to plug LinkedIn Learning, which is an excellent training platform taught by industry professionals. I'm also happy to report that you can access it for free with your LA County Library card. My second tip is write a script. Having a well thought out and pre-written script can help you come across as more confident and sure of yourself when it comes to your close-up on camera. Consider using teleprompting software such as the Teleprompter app or Pages for iOS users. Some key highlights for your script include a hook, an introduction to you and your story. Follow that up with interest in the position and what you can offer. Then your story and your passion. List your accomplishments. And finish with a strong closing and a call to action that expresses your excitement about furthering the conversation. Now that we have our script down, let's look at the production. The first thing is having a clean and tidy background. Once you've decided your location, consider what will appear in the background. Try to find a place that's quiet, uncluttered, free of distractions, and professional. If it's in your budget, consider purchasing an inexpensive background. These can be found online for relatively reasonable prices. These backgrounds will ensure that you have a clean and tidy background, and they'll also cover your personal living space. If you'll have text pop up on the screen, a solid background is a good choice. Small details such as books, plants, and wall art are great additions to your set. Bonus points if they match the theme of your video. The next most important component of your video is lighting. Good lighting will give your video a cleaner and more professional look. Poor lighting and shadows can be distracting. Consider optimizing natural lighting and optimal filming times throughout the day. If you don't have a place in your house that's naturally prone to light, consider using external lights such as lanterns or ring lights. You can also make use of visuals. Videos, stock images, text, and graphics can further highlight your skills and talents. Plus, it can make your video more visually appealing, especially if your lighting or background aren't the best. Now that our visuals are all set, the last production element that we want to focus on is the audio. Consider using an external mic. If that's not in your budget, do your best to eliminate exterior sounds and work with the sound quality on your device. As you sit down to film, remember to be aware of your body language. Body language is as equally important to get right as your script or lighting. This includes your tone, volume, pacing, clarity, and projection. If you're nervous about filming yourself, which is natural, think about a professional that you admire, a mentor, or a colleague, and envision yourself sitting down with them for a conversation. When it comes to your attire, you want to make sure that you wear something that is appropriate to the tone of your video, as well as to the company that you're applying for. Once your video is done, get feedback. As with any professional work, it's important to invite others to proofread it to catch errors or inconsistencies. Now let's take a look at a sample video resume. The following is a prospective candidate applying for a position as a social media marketing manager. Hello, Travel Right Now. My name is Anna. I first became aware of your site when I was touring Italy by myself for a week and I stumbled across your article, 5 Best Places to Visit in Florence. And I had the time of my life following that article's advice. When I saw that your company was hiring for a social media marketing manager, I felt compelled to introduce myself and share the ways that I can be an asset to your company. I fell in love with traveling at a young age when I'd sit in front of the TV and watch the Travel Channel, and I saw just how broad and beautiful the world was. Now I document my experiences through my personal website where I offer travel advice, share relatable stories, and give general life advice. In my current role as a marketing analyst for X company, I run our Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page, and I've increased our engagement by 15%. I was co-lead of Project W, which resulted in over 20 collaborations with industry professionals. This saw a 10% rise in our sales. I know that my passion and experience will serve your company well in showcasing the best of what your company has to offer to seasoned and new travelers alike. Thank you so much for your time, and I sincerely hope to further this conversation with you in the near future. Bye for now.
Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.